Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Segway Navimov i105e error code 1105. The error reads, mowing motor stall protection. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when the mower suddenly stops during operation and displays the message, mowing motor stall protection. According to our research, this error occurs when the mowing motor stalls and the protection mechanism activates for safety reasons. This may happen if the blade disc is obstructed or the grass is too thick or due to traction control settings. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if the blade disc is stuck. First, power off the mower and carefully inspect the blade area. If you find any foreign objects or debris blocking the disc, remove them. Once cleared, restart the mower and check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then check if the grass is too thick or dense. If so, reduce the height of the lawn to no more than 6 cm. After trimming the grass, restart the mower and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then check the traction control setting. Some users have shared that they were having the error because of traction control settings. So try to adjust the traction control setting and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then contact Segway customer support for further assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.